Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, click close, tap to OK. And now we could see here information about our battery temperature. In my case, that's 35 and 2 degrees. And also I got here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.